Wapi makofi tafadhali?
Muthaki njorua wa mbitika cia golf Micheal Karanga uria wegwateire namba 76 thi yothe hari athaki njorua a golf na kuo guku bururi-ini niwe namba 1 niararuguririe tabarira ya Micheal Karanga iria guteithiriria hari gukuria iheo cia golf guku bururi-ini.
Golfer with a heart dedicated to making a difference. It was conceived as a response to the socio-economic challenges by underprivileged children, particularly in the vicinity of golf courses that shaped Michael's journey. Our special mention is the prestigious Kiambu Golf Club under the leadership of our able chairman, Mr. Thomas Kimari Kamau, and the entire board of directors.
Ochora murugamiriri munene wa Golf Union niaraugire ati Micheal Karanga ni akanyita itemi mbitika-ini cia golf mwena wa Muthaiga kuria ahotana akegwatira tigiti wa guthaka bururi-ini wa Europe. Oho aikitie ritana kuri thirikari moke mateithiririe athaki a golf guothe bururi-ini
of Kenya. But today it has happened and I'm certain that he's going to agree to become the patron of this foundation and we are going to assist you where we can. Your Excellency, one request that will request you is that you make sure that the county government by hook or crook waachilie hii uwanja ni ya golfers, wa renew their leases. Now it is not practical, it is not possible. It's the only golf club that we have probably within the Kiambu County that has 70 acres mahali watu ukuja kucheza golf. Kwa hivyo Your Excellency, tell the governor aache hiyo mchezo ya karata ya pata potea, apatie hawa watu lisi yao na maisha iendelee. Asanteni sana.
Kiari ya Micheal Karanga ni acokeirie aciari yake ngatho hamwe na mutumia wake. Ni augite ati tabarira eno ya Micheal Karanga mwihoko wake ni guteithiriria ciana 4,000 iria citari na uhoti. Oho akauga ati ena mwihoko wa kuruira ngereno iria egwateire bururi-ini wa Ghana.
Father, legend of the pro golf. Affair with golf Bromst. The golf, a nurturing parent, provide me with opportunity to refine my skills. That is my mom who is with us today. And dreams became the boundaries of my humble beginning. As my powers on the golf course, so did aspiration. The prestigious Kiambu Golf Club became my next destination, solidly by studying in the golfing community. I served as the immediate past captain at Dumberi Golf Club for the last 5 years. For the amazing 5 years term, I believe my achievements as a Dadros are very well documented. The Kenya Golf Union, in the wisdom of Kikuyu saying, Your Excellency, mwanawe kiodaga gake. Your Excellency daraigua, mwanawe kiodaga gake. A child does not bring anything from their mother's womb. My story echoes sentiment that one's background should not determine the destination. It is a toll of a hustle from Karoga Primary School, alive with the determination and a golf set, transforming into the golfing section you see before you.
Andu-ini ha muthingi iharo-ini njitagwo Mwangi wa Gicohi.